Am I being a third wheel? If I had another wheel, this would be a really good joke. Hey guys, today I am making this beautiful garden wheel accent. It's the perfect project this summer using a bicycle wheel and some faux flowers. You can put it in front of your house and it will make your garden look gorgeous. If you haven't already subscribed, we've got the link in the description below and you can turn on bell notifications so you never miss any of our awesome projects. Here are the materials you're gonna need to do this project. First, you're gonna want a bicycle wheel, which you can get from your local bike repair shop. They probably have some spares that might have some minor issues, but will be perfect for your use. You're also gonna need some faux flowers. I grabbed a vine, a fern, 2 white flowers, and then 1 lavender accent. Next up, you're gonna take the vine and you're just gonna wrap it around the outside edge of the bicycle wheel. You might wanna glue down the ends just in case so that they don't slide off. Next up, I'm gonna take the ferns and I'm just gonna intertwine them between the spokes. We're doing this to try to fill out the look and we're going towards the center as much as we possibly can. You wanna try to save the smaller ferns for the inside where the spokes will be tighter and the bigger ones on the outside where the spokes have more space in between them. Because I can intertwine with the spokes, I don't actually have to glue any of this down, which is awesome. Then you're gonna take your flowers and just remove your flowers from the stem and you can place them inside intermingling with your ferns. So I'm just gonna start with the white ones because I wanna add my accents later. You might wanna glue some of them down, that's up to you. I did. I don't want them to roll around. After that, we're gonna grab the lavender accents. If you have wire ones like I do, you may require wire cutters, but for me, scissors are working fine. I'm only gonna use half of my lavender because I still wanna add the leaves from the white flowers. Grab the remaining leaves off of your stems and feel free to just fill out your look. It looks really nice. You fill it out and ta-da! This project is completely your domain to change and alter as you see fit. If you're looking for some more variety, you can simply spray paint the spokes and frame to make it have a little extra pop. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and feel free to tell us in the comments below what kind of alterations you would do to yours. Or send us a picture. Tweet it at us, @CoralTV. I reply to all of them. I do. Is it weird if I do this? Papa, can you hear me? Papa, can you? No. Jay's giving me stank eye.